Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert in-text citation in bibliography at the end of your thesis or dissertation by using Mendeley desktop. First, let me double click over Mendeley desktop to open it. Now here you can see that I have a number of folders on the left side of my Mendeley desktop, like introduction of thesis, lithium-ion batteries, PhD proposal, polymeric materials. If you want to add new folders, you can click over here on create folder and add a new one. Even you can create a folder inside a folder. For example, I have a subfolders in PhD proposal China like citations. You can import your papers from here. Click on add. You can go anywhere. For example, I want this paper to be uploaded to my Mendeley desktop. I would click over it and it would be automatically included. For example, you can see that it has been uploaded to my Mendeley desktop. And if you want to remove it, you can click over here and click on here. You would be prompted to remove it. Now, in order to insert in-text citation and bibliography, you need to go to Tools sections and install Web Importer and install MS Word plugin. In my case, you can see that it is showing uninstall MS Word plugin. Since I have already installed it, that is why it is showing uninstall. In your case, it would show install MS Word plugin. Install Web Importer. You can click over it and it would be automatically installed in your web browser. Let me click over this paper now. Now this is the paper I want to cite in my thesis or research paper. First, you need to study it, make notes here on this site. For example, I have made some notes over here. It must be noted that after reading your paper, you must make sure that they are properly paraphrased and avoid copying anything into your dissertation or thesis. Now I would copy it and I would save it in my Word document. Now for in-text citation, I would go to References. Here you can see Insert Citation. Click over it and again go to Mendeley. Here, this is the paper I want to cite. Now you can go over here and click on Cite. Here you can see that this paper has been cited. This is actually the in-text citation for this paper. Let me show you for one more paper. For example, this is the paper that I have already read. I have made some notes and I'm going to write those notes into my thesis. Now, in order to cite this paper, I would again go to Insert Citations. Again, I would go to Mendeley, and this is the paper that I would like to cite. So again, I would click Cite, and here you can see that it has been cited. Now, these citations are called in-text citation. Let me do a few more in-text citations, and then I would come to show you how to insert bibliography. Now I have inserted a few more in-text citations, and now I would like to insert bibliography at the end of this particular document. So I would write references. Now you can go to your references, and here you can see this little tab called Insert Bibliography. Click over it, and here you can see that your bibliography has been inserted automatically. Now this is the IEEE style. You can change it from here. For example, you want American Psychological Association 6th edition, you can change it. It would be automatically changed. Here you can see that references and similarly in-text citations both got changed. If you want some other style, you can check more styles and insert as per your liking. This is how in-text citation is done in Mendeley desktop. I hope you have understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching.